Hi guys! In today's tutorial we're going to be doing the twisted updo hairstyle. First, comb the hair with a detangling brush. Part a section of hair from the top of the head. Comb it and make a twist with it. Push it gently bottom up until create a little bump. And hold it with some bobby pins. Try to keep the bobby pins as tight as possible so they can keep the bump firmly. Part a section of hair from the right side of the head, comb it and make a twist with it. Once the twist is already done, hold it with one hand and with your other hand pull up the hair until it looks a little puffy. Then hold it with a bobby pin. And do the same with the left side of the head. With the rest of the hair, make a low ponytail. Divide the hair into pieces and make a rope braid. Once the rope braid is done, pull up the hair to make it look a little puffy. Then bring it up to the nape zone and hold it with some bobby pins. Then add a little bit of holding spray for a clean finish. And this is it. Twisted updo hairstyle. Pretty simple, right? I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.